Guys, so do you remember this thing? The thing that's been hidden underneath the tarp in the corner for the last almost probably 3 months.
I think it's been about 3 or 4 months, yeah.
I think it's been 3 months, yeah.
Yeah. I was very thrown off when I walked in this morning and to see it over here.
So we got Brian's BMW situated. I figured it was time that I get one of my BMW situated. Still trying to find a shop that I could trust locally that will do the frame on the E30, but I figured for now, we could tackle the E36. Last time you guys saw this thing, 3 months ago, this happened.
487.
487 horsepower.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, that's weird. My wastegate spring should be like 8 PSI, and it's clearly not. Well, too much boost. I think we broke a ring line. Piston rods. Coming at you live. And then 3 months later, here it is. So at the time, we had a lot going on, and I was a little disappointed, so I kind of covered it until I had more time and funds to repair this. And well, the goal for today is to get this thing out and on the engine stand and ready to start assessing the damage. Today will probably be a short video because tonight is Mama Oaks' birthday. And guys, wish her happy birthday in the comments below, because I swear to God, she will read every single one of them.
She will read every single one, like or comment all of them. So make sure you give her some love.
So tonight is her 29th birthday again, and so I gotta get this done because of course I can't miss that. So let's get right to it.
And wait for the montage.
I know you guys didn't forget about this beautiful exhaust that Justin down at More Fab Performance made for me.
Incredible, especially this part.
The downpipe is just something else. This piece of art, fitment on point. You could re-gasket an entire BMW and it'll still leak oil. It drives me nuts. This car, I ran this car for like what, 3 days?
If that.
If that, it's been sitting since, and looks like the thing has been leaking oil for 2 years. Drives me nuts.
Yeah, still nowhere near as much as Brian's Mark II.
Survey says. Now it's time for the most convenient feature of this chassis. So I completely forgot that if you put this on the right way, like every nut, bolt, and screw, it's kind of a pain in the ass to take off, but look, it is so freaking worth it. It makes everything super exposed. I know the Volkswagens do this too. It's like the greatest thing ever. This is where I shamelessly plug the fact that we're a Link dealer now. So we sell every single Link product.
I have everything on our website that you could possibly get on Link's
RJ
website.
spent like literally 3 days straight putting every product on there. So literally any Link product, it's the same pricing everywhere. So you might as well buy it through us. But
support your boys.
Funny enough, the E36 Link plug and play is the most sold ECU we've had so far. We sold quite a few of these, which is really awesome. It's probably the best plug and play option for an E36. And I mean, get off a stock ECU. But hop below, shop Jimmy O for all Link products.
For our ECUs, digital dashes,
merch.
solenoids,
So
merch.
I gotta plug it or RJ's gonna get mad at me.
I'm gonna get real mad at you.
Yeah, so now the most difficult part is dealing with everything on the intake, because there's just a lot crammed under here. And I don't wanna dismantle everything because we gotta put it all back together. But it's insane how much stuff I have to take apart just to get here.
Ooh, that pile got big since I got back.
So this better be going back in and never coming back out.
That's the goal. Shameless reminder here on the Link products, if you buy it through us, we have an option for free shipping on all ECUs and digital dashes.
We should go bug Derek.
You wanna go bug Derek?
Let's go bug Derek.
Fuck yeah. Wait, what is he doing? We're taking the hog?
Oh yeah, have fun, baby.
Oh snap!
Is your seatbelt on? Derek's gonna rip us apart.
Oh hell yeah, dude!
First of all, I'll never get on anything but a Harley. Second of all, I'd never get on the back of anything with another dude.
I'm going in the back. Come on, let's go.
Except for maybe Jimmy, actually.
Being a passenger is terrifying.
It is terrifying.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing's an imposter. Can't be seen on this. I have a reputation.
Okay, we came down real quick because I had to show off something for. I've been trying to find an excuse to come down here, but we've both been so busy. But bootleg tunes. Derek got himself his very own dyno.
I did.
And it's not like a dyno. It's like the dyno.
Can we also point out that this was your original shop?
Yeah, like this is where.
Like this is
first
like
started.
look how nice it is in
He
here.
painted the floors.
Look at this. Derek's a professional.
Don't look too closely at the floors.
Looks good on camera.
It's my first one.
But yeah, so Derek is like full-time BDE tuner over here.
What's BDE?
Big Dick Energy.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Show it off.
Show it off. Let the people know.
So, oh my God, a mainline dyno. You want to give him like a 2-second explanation of what that is?
The best dyno ever made.
Fair enough.
You know, that's it.
That's it.
It's the best dyno.
We did try to put the mini truck on it. Unfortunately, we don't have the right lug pattern for it.
I mean, unfortunately for Jimmy, I did not spec mini truck when I got my adapters. I have just about everything else.
You're missing out.
But I'm missing out on the mini truck market.
Want to throw some ice in this, Derek, or what?
Yep.
Oh, well then.
Just another day.
Just another day.
Yeah.
Where's rod territory?
Rods to the side. Coolant, basically, like just like imagine like a 10-foot radius bubble.
Okay.
And beyond that, you should be all right. You know what I mean?
I'll have my helmet on just in case.
What the hell is that? You feel that in your freaking soul.
God, everything in my being just vibrated.
Of course the camera died when we were there, but I just want to say I'm super proud of the homie, Derek, making his own dyno facility with a mainline dyno, and I know that's been his dream for a long time, and he made it into fruition, and that's just, it's super cool seeing close friends make big moves like that. So, if you guys have a 3,000 horsepower Pro Mod or a Turbo Miata, hit up Derek, put it right here, and he'll treat you good. So, we're running out of time, so let's get the intake off and all the junk underneath it and get it ready to pull. Sound good?
Good. Great. It's very uncomfortable riding on the back of a motorcycle.
Yeah, that's pretty weird.
It was very weird.
Now I told you I wasn't lying. Don't let that pretty little engine bay fool you. There is so much shit crammed underneath that intake, and now I have to organize it all, get it out of the way, and try not to scratch anything. Usually I leave the engine harness on, but this time I'm just gonna rip everything the heck out, and well, back to the time lapse. It was honestly far more of a pain in the ass than I recall. I usually don't label harnesses, but for BMWs, at least for the E46 and the E36, uses the same connector for like 5 different sensors. So it's worth labeling for sure. All right, game plan here. Don't scratch anything because there's a lot of things to scratch.
I'm willing to sacrifice a digit for this bay. I'll let a finger come off for this bay.
And then the downpipe. We were only able to get this thing in and out with the brake booster out. So I'm hoping if we kind of like hold it in place, we can kind of like rotate the engine, get it out, and I guess we'll find out. Me and Justin like made the joke at More February, just like, well, the only time you'll ever have to pull it out is if you blow the motor, and then at that point, your life's already miserable.
Oh, it's not wrong.
Yeah, the time has come. All right, someone's got to be on like full-time downpipe duty. Don't lose this. You're always losing. With the brake booster on. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Big move. Okay. Here we go. Ha ha!
Ah.
Yes, it worked! Okay, I gotta unbolt the trans now.
What's happening here, Sumo?
So listen, I calculated the angle of the zygomatic arch here, and I figured out if we rotate it the right way,
Frick yes!
right at the bottom.
So all you have to do is jack the engine up an inch and it comes out. That's
it, baby.
I am so freaking relieved. You have no idea.
You're welcome.
Wow, this trans mount's being a butthole.
Stinky?
Tight.
All right, well, guess who forgot to disconnect all the power steering stuff?
Jimmy.
Oh, yep, that's me.
Ah.
This guy. You always forget something, right?
Like it's Friday and you forgot to pay me again?
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have my words with payroll today, baby.
I do feel really bad.
It's okay.
I'm really happy that's when you decided to bring it up, too.
I wasn't gonna bring it up till tomorrow, but that worked out so much better.
We can't do it without Drew.
Oh yeah. He probably knows that we're doing
Joe,
it.
which bucket you want these three guys in?
Pick your favorite.
Oh, you look, there he is. Oh my God. Girl, are you here to help us pull the motor? Billy.
Real help.
Here he is.
What's going on?
Look at that.
Boys, check it out. Come on.
New pickups?
Dude,
Look at this.
y'all see what's going on.
My man's is using a
Short bed
two-wheel
king.
drive Tacoma.
If you got a picture of using your short bed better than this,
We want to see it.
we want to see it.
Oh my God.
Come on, bud.
Come on, Tucker. Come on. Come on.
Roger, not scratch anything.
No, you're Randy.
Wait. Who's Roger? King Crane.
Jack her
So
up,
they used to call me in high school.
King Crane in high school.
Can't confirm.
Tucker, you in position? Yep.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Dude, I think this is...
Seems pretty free.
We're gonna find out shortly.
Dude, that was bottom. Wow. What?
Record timing. What was the time on that?
All right, well, engine's out. Now we took apart the entire car, all right? Well, it sure looks like it. Look at that pile. Now it's time to take apart the entire engine, and I'm not excited, so.
Jimmy's favorite. Cooling everywhere.
At least Brian's not here to step in it. But yeah, so we gotta pull the entire engine apart, and we gotta figure out how much damage it is internally to figure out what parts we need to order. I ordered basically everything but the pistons, and the pistons are what we need. We have to determine if the block's good enough to use standard size or basically go bigger. Worst case scenario, I need a new block, and I could get a cheap M50 block. So, taking this thing apart is gonna be a lot more work, and it is Mama Oaks' birthday, and we got birthday dinner in like a half hour, so we finished just in time, and well, I think that's it for today.
Don't step
Just enough time for me
That-
to get out of here. Let you guys clean that up.
Cool, we get to keep Tucker.
Yeah, we get to keep Tucker. That looks delicious.
Yeah, so big moves today. We took apart another car, but only to make more progress on it, so it's good. We'll get this thing apart.
This is gonna be the first 700 horsepower car.
It'll be cool. Well, it's nice because like all the hardware on it supports, you know, the turbo is gonna be the limiting factor at this point. Able to make like 650 to 7 maybe, which is just a stupid amount of horsepower. So this will be good. Will be great.
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 Take the words out of his mouth. Love that.
I got a lot of cleaning to do, and tomorrow we'll dig in and see how much damage is done inside that engine. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Cop some Jimmy O merch. What is it? Drop below, shop Jimmy O.
Below,
hot
shop
below,
Jimmy O.
shop Jimmy O.
Randy, tell him what to do.
Like, comment, subscribe, Go run up that merch. Link in the bio. Have a good night.